Hi friends, today I am going to review this Arnica Plus combo which I have brought from Amazon. So this combo comes with a pack of this Arnica Plus Triofer, and it gives us a tablet. It consists of 50 tablets in one pack. Then there is a hair oil and this shampoo. So most of us face this issue of hair fall, premature graying, dandruff, etc. So this combination of Arnica Plus is a one and all solution for all these issues. So in market we have this Arnica Plus Triofer being sold individually, but I would recommend that this product should be used in a combination, as this combination will diagnose your problem with the roots and will help to cure it out. So guys, let's see what it contains. So this is Triofer, and this is I would like to tell you that this is a homeopathic medicament. So as this is a homeopathic medicament, this is not going to cause much side effect as in the case of allopathy. So and moreover, this is chemical free as well, so there would be little or no side effect. So this arrests your hair fall, strengthens your hair root, promotes hair growth, control premature graying, and removes dandruff. Okay, so I will now read out the descriptions. This contain carbo vegetabilis, ferrometiculum, magnesium phosphoricum, and other such ingredients. Okay, so now I will tell you how to use this Arnica Plus Triofer. So Arnica Plus, when you will buy this, there you will get a manual, and there is it is written there that how to use this product. So what you have to do, guys, is you have to use this twice in a day. I will show you this bottle. So this bottle, this is the product, and what you have to do is to use it twice a day, and once in the morning after you take a bath, and once before going to bed. This tablet has to be taken in a similar manner. This tablet you have to take one in the morning, empty stomach, in lukewarm water, and one before going to bed. Okay, so now coming to this hair oil. So this packet I have brought it yesterday only. This packet I have I have ordered yesterday, and I have been using this product for a month as well. So I'll show you that the hair oil which you have to this hair oil will nourish your hair, and you have to apply it on your hair before going to bed twice a week. Okay, and and once you use this hair oil, you keep it overnight, and then the next day you use this shampoo. This is Arnica Plus shampoo, and you have to wash your hair twice in a week for best results. See, actually this homeopathy medicament is meant to diagnose your issue as well as to root out the issue. So guys, our hair fall issue is not do not originate from the scalp. It somewhat originate from our guts. So this tablet clears our gut issues, and makes our liver functioning healthy, and this Triofer nourishes our scalp. So if our scalp remains dirty or unclean, so that's why this shampoo is given, and this shampoo will clean your scalp, so that the Triofer will give out the best result. And this Arnica Plus hair oil will make your scalp nourished, so that the Triofer reaches the root and works in the best possible manner. So I have been using it for a month, and I can tell you guys that my hair fall has been arrested by 99%. And guys, you have to be a bit patient with this product, because it's a homeopathy medicament. So you have to consistently use it for 90 days for the best result. Okay, thank you for watching the video, and I will give the link of the product in the description. And yes, I bought it for 490 on Amazon. And okay, so if you liked the video, you can subscribe it by clicking on the red button, and do click the bell icon for getting the notification of my videos. Thank you.